Now that we're in the presets tab, you can see that my presets tab section has a whole pile of presets in here. Yours probably doesn't, unless you've created your own or gone and downloaded some presets that you had found on the internet. Presets are really, really great. It's all a matter of profiling or setting up certain things, if you will. So here we go. If I wanted to increase my exposure by one whole f-stop, all I have to do is click on that and it's done. Otherwise, I'm going to just do a Command Z to undo so I can go back to where I just was. I've created a whole pile of presets in here. I have a sepia tone and I have a reset the sepia. I've gone and created some reset things in here like camera raw defaults, camera specific defaults, and all this kind of stuff. I've gone and created these so that when I go through and start clicking and creating my presets or clicking on the presets that I've created for a specific look, I have an option that takes me back to nothing that's been applied. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. So if I wanted to create something that had Instagram border kind of a thing, there you go. There is, now it's not really Instagram, but it's the Instagram border. All right, with the sepia, I don't know. Maybe it's not working with this image, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to come over here and click on this guy. And did that do anything at all? I don't know. I'm going to go back one and back another. So it's not going to let me go back in time, is it? There you go. All right. So now if I come back over here and click on this, there is a preset for coming in and doing that guy. Is that what I wanted? I don't know. All I'm trying to show you is that I've got these. This is the lens that was created with this, but if I come in and choose this guy, we're going to see something change in there. See how it did a little bit of change and goes back to that lens. Very, very simple to create these things. I'm just going to come over here and see what Nashville North is, and there's a little bit of a, I don't know, it's kind of like an Instagram-ish kind of look and feel and all that kind of stuff. Command Z, Control Z will just get you back out of these kind of things. Parametric curve, where I've got things set to something specific, undo, split toning, I've got my white balances down here, I've even got my custom psychedelic Sunday. There you go. So I'm going to show you how to go about creating that one, and then I'm going to save it, and then you'll get an idea of how to go about creating these guys. So I'm going to come back over to this guy here, and I'm inside my linear curve, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag this up to here. I'm going to drag this down to here. I'm going to come over and drag this one up this way. Now you're starting to see my psychedelic Sunday coming alive. Now, I'm not going to do one exactly the same as the other one, but I think you're getting the idea. So we got this in here. I'm just going to move this over to there. And then this guy can come up like this. What happens if I do that? Sure, why not? So there we go. I've got this look. I think it's kind of, I don't know, funky, if you will. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come back over to my presets tab. I'm going to come down to the bottom here and I'm going to click on that new preset thing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and choose point curve, because that's the only thing I'm using in here is the point curve. And now I'm just going to call this one John's second LSD look. Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Come on, get with it. There you go. All right, so I've got that there. Now all I have to do is come back and possibly hit a lens profile. Let's come in and do this, change things around, see how it's going on. Nashville North. There's my Nashville North. There's my other Nashville North. And if I want to come in and do a sepia, I've actually applied a sepia to this. What I need to do is have a reset of Nashville North, then I can come back and work on that. But I can actually lighten the image, lighten it a lot. There we go. Oh my God, who knew? Who knew that I could come up with something that looks like that? Now I'm going to do is come in here and click on this. Now I forget what it was that I clicked on. I have no idea. So I'm going to call this one Who Knew? And I'm just going to create that, and now it's at the bottom and it's called Who knew? If I came in here and set this back to the defaults, there it is at that point. If I come in here and click on Who Knew, voila, I have now come up with my own preset that is absolutely stunning. Watch for this for sale on an internet site near you.